construction vehicle's name?
Excavator. This is excavator. Bulldozer. This is bulldozer. Backhoe loader. This is backhoe loader. Dump truck. This is dump truck. Wheel loader. This is wheel loader. Road roller. This is road roller. Crane. This is crane. Concrete mixer truck. This is concrete mixer truck. Grader. This is grader. Asphalt paver. This is asphalt paver. Pile driver. This is pile driver. Skid steer loader. This is skid steer loader. Forklift. This is forklift. Tower crane. This is tower crane. Hydraulic breaker. This is hydraulic breaker. Asphalt distributor truck. This is asphalt distributor truck. Articulated dump truck. This is articulated dump truck. Tunnel boring machine, TBM. This is tunnel boring machine, TBM. Scraper. This is scraper. Dragline excavator. This is dragline excavator. Compactor. This is compactor. Boom lift. This is boom lift. Scissor lift. This is scissor lift. Concrete pump truck. This is concrete pump truck. Lowboy trailer. This is lowboy trailer. Railroad maintenance vehicle. This is railroad maintenance vehicle. Water tanker truck. This is water tanker truck. Logging truck. This is logging truck. Telescopic handler. This is telescopic handler. Excavator. This is excavator. Crane. This is crane. Concrete mixer truck. This is concrete mixer truck. Grader. This is grader. This is amazing construction vehicles in life. Thanks for watching.